Hey cats, rats, and bats. Welcome to the last episode of B.I.O.T.A. I love this game, but I have to apologize for some complaining towards the middle and end of this because there's a section that I really hate, and I still love this game despite how bad that section is to me.
Just keep falling.
I recommend the game heavily, and I
I'm
have a review in the
just
description.
fall after fall.
Hope you enjoy the video,
Oh
and I
shoot.
hope you enjoyed the
Lag.
series overall. But this time I'll just make the jump, because I'm good. Yeah. Well, you can go either way. Can't go that way yet. Okay. I need another rock. There we are. Jump it. Oh. Didn't realize that that was a wall that I could, like, hang on. But there we go. There's a little teethsy worm there. I'll go. And keep on moving. Got him. Push that. Path opened, huh? What path? Oh, this path. This stuff falling now. Okay. Jump it. Jump it. Jump it. Gotta... Oh, there's a lot of worms down there. Ah, no! Get off the wall! Oh. My character was stuck. Like a Spider-Man. Get him out. See you later, wormy. Oh. So much platforming. I definitely don't want to have to go through any of this again. So I really hope I don't end up having to go through any of this again. Okay, there we go. I'm glad that I can just walk off there, because that was dangerous. There's a box for me to jump to. That was a good old box. Oh, that is less good. Jump that. And... oh, no. Don't go on the outside. Oh, I can go... either way here. Oh, I mean, this is a much shorter path, so I'll go this way first. Okay, I can make this. I'm really good at the platforming in this game, everyone knows that. Boom. What did I say? Had to come this way anyway. I'm not even gonna mess with you, little brain. I already killed a big brain. I don't need to kill little brains. Why? There we go. Ah, ah. Okay, I made it. I calculated. Completely calculated. That was ridiculous. That bounce that what? And even better. Okay then. Save here. Make that jump. Oh, and we're gonna be going into a boss fight. A boss fight? Okay, okay. Yeah, I'll try it out. Let's... What? What is this? Okay. How far can you shoot? It doesn't seem like you can shoot that far. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh. I fell into a pit. Game saved. What? Alright, I'm good. Little piranha boy. That fight did seem kind of ridiculous. With only 3 hearts? That's alright though. I'm here now. See how this goes. How far am I gonna fall? Oh no, a giant wasp. Okay, good. Took him out. Got him. Ah! Oh, he got me. I think his, like, little poison shot is what got me, but still. When did I get the safety rope, by the way? And why did it not activate like any other time that I fell through large pits? Oh, brain. Okay. Take that out. Got him. This is going well. A lot better than the fight against the giant bugs up there. Which I believe it is possible to beat them, because there's an achievement for beating that swarm. So unless I'm going to end up fighting them again in some other capacity. Ooh. Lots of brains. Game saved. Okay, that's good. Wow, asteroids? Oof, that sucked. Controlling this is really difficult. No. No, I am gonna get taken out here. Almost certainly. I didn't think I was close enough to that to hit it, but okay, let's try this again. Ooh, this rock section is a lot harder than I was expecting, because hitboxes are a little bit wonky on it. Ah, man. And the movement is real slow, so unless you know what's coming up, you don't really have the best chance of dodging. Oh, no. I dodged directly into that big one. Oh, man, come on. Oh, make it. No more rocks. I'd rather have bugs. That is not an invitation to do bugs and rocks, by the way, game. I just want bug. No rock. Huh, you cheeky fly. Okay. We good? Come on, stop falling. Okay, game saved again. Oh no. I already hate this. Yup. You gotta do some big swings. This falling section is ridiculous. Should have just fought the bugs up top. Ooh. Okay. Doing good this time. This is the furthest I've made it. Huh. Okay. More bugs, I assume? Get a little closer to the middle of the screen. Game saved. Yes, I made it past that part. Honestly, I'd love to see an end to just this entire falling section. You can shoot down during this? You can also shoot up. I'm stupid. Oh, they got me. This rope section actually sucks. I've not liked really any of the variants of it. Going through the lightning things was annoying. Fighting the insects is annoying. Ooh. Okay. I'm doing well this time. For now, anyway. Hope that continues. Oh, was that it? Come on, just end. Game saved. No. I don't want to keep falling. And it's an asteroid section. Oh, man. I don't understand what the developers were thinking when they added this rope section. Let alone the... Yep, every time I get the healing, it puts me in a position where it is basically impossible for me to dodge the rocks. Anyway, yeah, this whole rope section actually sucks. I don't understand why they decided to put it into the game. Please, just end there. Just rope section, please just end. Thank you. Oh. What the hell? HQ, do you copy? There's something wrong. I'm on the lower ridge and I'm detecting seismic tremors combined with very strong turbulence. It's almost like... Sorry for intruding, but after a careful analysis of the data collected, top management of V-Corp have decided to terminate Frontier Horizon with all life forms on it. The self-destruct mechanism has already been triggered, and the asteroid is heading toward a nearby black hole. Also, V-Corp doesn't want any annoying witnesses, so it seems superfluous to say that you're not allowed to leave the colony. Any escape attempts will be blocked by force. Now I understand. You damned bastards want to destroy any evidence of the agent's origins and continue your dirty work, regardless of the danger. Just what I would have expected from a mega corrupt corporation like yours. Nothing personal, Gemini 2 Squad. V-Corp thanks you for your service. Over and out. If I ever get out of here alive, I'll make them pay for this. And I'll give you a hand. Now let's think about how to get out of here before everything collapses. You don't have much time. The asteroid is approaching the black hole too fast. God damn, my teleportation is damaged in the clash, but those should be an elevator just ahead. We won't take off without you, but you have to hurry. The lower crust has already started to crumble. I'm coming. Save a couple of beers for me. Over and out. Hey, look at that. Oh. Okay, team, we did it. Barely, but we did it. Start the engines and let's leave this fucking rock behind us at full throttle. Starting in 3, 2, 1, lift off. Well, did I make it? This video might actually have to be cut into 2 videos. And I think it might be the last video. So that's pretty cool. Oh. What the hell? We have company. This is Colonel Morrigan from the flagship Centurion 3 of the V-Corp fleet. You're not allowed to leave Frontier Horizon. Go back immediately or you will be shot down. I repeat, land now or get shot down. Captain, they bothered with the heavy artillery for us. They can eat my shit, Gemini 2 squad. Carry out the disengagement maneuver. With great pleasure, sir. Oh, no way, what? Prepare for a dogfight. We have one last bug left to squash. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Okay, you can technically destroy the rocks maybe, but it's hard, so I'm not going to be looking to do that. Oh, was not expecting a big flying dogfight boss fight, but it's okay. Dodge you. Is it even possible to shoot them unless they're in the middle of the screen? I don't know. But either way. Okay. Keep shooting as much as I can while dodging. Dodging. Ooh. Go up. Ooh. Here comes another asteroid dodging section. See, like, I would have much rather just done more of this. The rope section was terrible. Like, compared to this, compared to the rest of the game, honestly, the rope section was really bad. Like, sorry to complain about it so much, but it took me so long to beat it, and it was all just aggravating deaths. None of the deaths really felt like they were my fault all that much, and so it just, in the long run, made the deaths very aggravating over all else. Also, I don't even know actually how to tell when I am dodging properly in this. I think it's just if it reaches the screen and touches my ship, it hits me, but I'm not sure. Come on, they're getting low. Oop, almost dodged directly back into some. That would have been dumb. We're good so far, though. I'm flying well. Take as many shots as possible, then dodge. We're good. Okay, no special shots. Not this time. Ooh. I don't think there's any way for me to move my shot either, so like, if they're not in the middle of the screen, I'm just not hitting them. Even if they are on screen, like, they're technically on screen right now, but I'm not able to move my cursor or anything like that, as far as I can tell anyway. Which is fine, that's not a bad thing. This is, like I said, leagues better than the rope section that I'm going to try not to complain about anymore. Okay. We like straight off. Yeah, I can kind of move my cursor by moving the plane or ship around. There we go. Take down the Centurion 3. I did it. Oh, this is definitely gonna have to be cut down into multiple videos. Stop. Rewind. What? Finish the game with a bad ending. Oh no. After taking down the Centurion, the Gemini 2 squad, together with Jade, head for Earth with their engines at full throttle. Arriving on the planet, the spectacle was gruesome. Oh. It's already come. Yeah. The bugs took over. The Viridium stock stored on the ground had already freed the agent and had begun to spread. Giant shark sting. Okay. V-Corp's secrecy of the information had made all nations completely unprepared to face such a disaster. Yeah, that makes sense. The survivors found themselves at the beginning of a new dark age, with humanity battling for its survival. Darn, I got the bad ending. Well. Oh well. This will be the end. Yeah, that was a lot of recording, so almost an hour of footage. It's going to be cut down a lot, but I don't think it'll be able to be cut down into one video, so probably two. This is a fun game. Very fun game. I actually liked this a lot. Even more than I was expecting, and it was longer than I was expecting too. I just kind of assumed it was going to be a shorter game than it is, but I'm glad. Like, I'm glad it was so much better than I thought it was going to be. Yeah. This is great. I'll probably go ahead and let the credits roll here, just because showing off people who worked on a game is a very good thing to do. But I liked it. I liked it a lot, actually. Happy I played this. I think I'm going to be playing Yuppie Psycho next. It's a game that I'm really excited to play. It's either going to be that or some other random thing that I decide, but Yuppie Psycho is what I planned on playing next, so hopefully that's what comes out. That's B.I.O.T.A. With a bad ending, but if you want the good ending, go get it. Oh, Tetsu and Alex unlocked. Interesting. Huh. Didn't expect to unlock 2 new characters. Alright. That's the end of this one. See you all in the next episode of whatever I end up posting.